I'm Roxie with Roxie's Broadway Breakdown. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's tap video, I will be doing a beginner warm-up. So let's break this down. Okay, this is a warm-up that will take you from front to back. And if there's steps in between that you're not quite sure of, they're on my tap playlist. And so if you need to break them down a little bit slower, go take a look at those individual steps. All right, so we're going to start on the right with running flaps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flap, heel, flap, heel. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Flap, ball, change, flap, ball, change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle, step, shuffle, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Paradiddle, paradiddle. Okay, now remember to stay up on the balls of your feet for this warm-up. It really helps. It helps your sound stay lighter, and try to keep, when you're going slow on this, try to keep your sounds clean and even before you try to start going faster and faster with this warm-up, and keep the rhythm even. Okay, so that was I'll repeat the first, or going forward. Okay, I'll give you counts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now going backwards, you can call these back flaps or brush steps. Some people use terms interchangeably in tap. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, brush step, heel, brush step, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, back essence, back essence. Have to scoot up. 1, 2, 3, 4, a Broadway. Now, there's Broadway, Shirley Temple, Alexander. It goes by different names, but that's flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, step. Okay? Usually they do them in succession, like they keep going and going with that pattern, but we're going to do it to one side, and when you do that stomp, this is the only time in the pattern that you're going to have to do the flaps now, starting with that left foot. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, flap, heel, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, step. And then you're ready to start the pattern again going forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, flap, heel, heel. Okay? That's the way I did it. All right, so let's take it again from the top. We'll go a little bit slow, under tempo, and then we'll do it fast. Okay, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, flap, heel, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, flap, ball change, flap, ball change. 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, paradiddle, paradiddle. Let me scoot up. There should be really no break, but I don't have much room. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. There you go. Sometimes my mind can't say tap as fast as I do it. All right, now let's get up to speed a little bit more. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Going backwards. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. There you go. I hope you like that. Don't forget to click and subscribe. Always try to to keep your taps even and clean. I hope you like that. See you in the next.